Today we're gonna go over the today we're gonna go over the Play Box by Sephora.
Fireflies.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Alejandra Rose, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we're gonna go over the Play Box by Sephora, and I'm really excited. This is the May box. So we're just gonna open their little box here, and this is what is inside. So it comes with a little bag like always, and I swear this bag is the cutest thing ever. It's like a jean bag with like bungee cord. So let's open up our little bag. I opened this up already once because you guys know I can't wait. And but I'm still over the moon with a lot of these products, so I'll read some information to you as I go. So the first thing I see here is the Sephora mask. Apparently it's, let's see what it says on here. Definition of detox: Sephora collection mud mask, purifying and mattifying. A detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. Why it's a classic. This highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying. It leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is satisfying. So it's a mud mask that changes colors, and once it changes colors, that means it's done working and you can remove it. It smells like a mud mask. The next thing I see here, it is an Hourglass Veil base mineral. So apparently it is Prep Perfection Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, a silky oil-free primer that reduces the look of redness, pores, and lines. Obviously these are sample size. Ooh, it's like a glass with like matte on it, like a matte like gloss, a frosted glass, that's what they call it. And it looks like this. And let's see if it smells. It smells like chemical, but yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Next thing I see is a sample of a perfume. So this is the month's bonus that they put in here. It smells so good. It says Flawless Florals, Chloe. A warm floral blend of oak moss and freesia. So I just googled how to pronounce it, and apparently it's freesia, and it creates a sweet, romantic, and refreshing scent. About the brand, Chloe is a luxury fashion house founded in Paris over 60 years ago. This brand was created with 3 principles in mind: freedom, lightness, and femininity. These elements are especially evident in their unique and addictive fragrances. And this smells so good. The one I got last time, if you watched my last video, was so great. I am almost done with it, I think. So it's kind of nice to have another little nice perfume. Okay, so the next thing is a Bumble and Bumble Thickening Volume Hairspray. And I feel like it's a really good sized bottle. So it says, it's a setting spray that extends your style, lifts up the roots, and adds major volume. No matter your hair type, this versatile spray is the perfect way to start or finish any do. Its unique formula adds volume and keeps your strands in place all night without compromising the touchable texture, which kind of gives me an understanding that if you like do curls and then you spray this before and after, it won't make your hair hard. I'm guessing that's what it's trying to say. We have 2 things left in this bag for this month, and they are my favorite things ever. So I'll start from my runner-up favorite, which is the Tarte Lash Paint. Looks like this. So, okay, so it's a perfect go-to mascara that lifts, sculpts, and lengthens lashes. This MVP mascara nourishes and defines your lashes with jet black painted mineral pigments. Its unique flake-free formula leaves a glossy sheen as it adds volume and length that lasts. So I'm super excited. I love Tarte. So far, anything I've gotten from... Whoa. Okay, that's pretty cool. But anything I've gotten from Tarte, I usually really like. So the next and the last thing that I got in this bag this month is one of my favorite things I am dying to try, which is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. I am not wearing it right now. Right now I'm just wearing something completely different. But I am excited to check it out and try it tomorrow. I probably try it tomorrow. I just put it on seconds ago and it's already dry. And it was so easy to just make a straight line. So I think I'm going to die and go to heaven when I try this. Because it looks amazing. I'm just like, wow, it already dried up. And I love liner pens and I love liquid liner. I don't do pencil very well, so this is amazing and I'm so excited to try it out on my eyes. So it says it's a Trooper Black, that's the color. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. This is like literally my #1 favorite product out of everything that came in this month and last month. So I'm so excited to try this out. That was it for this month's box, and I feel like everything they give me is something very useful, but then I don't end up using things, so we'll see. I am for sure super excited about the Kat Von D and the Tarte mascara, so we'll see about that. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.